So that's the beast. It's a Triumph Rocket 3 converted to a Cervicar type of design, and he's done some work on the front forks as well to make it more conducive to trike operation. So we'll be getting off in a minute. So Dick, tell us where we are and tell us a bit about your trike.
Right, well, this is the top of Prestatyn, known as Gwaenysgor. It's actually on the border with Prestatyn, Upper Prestatyn. It's very well known for its scenic views and very much a tourist point. Over in the distance, you can see the Vorid estuary. That's the Vorid River estuary.
Yeah.
And further on is the Great Orme and the Little Orme. The hills, really. They're not full-blown mountains. We've got the Hoyle wind farm out to sea. I don't know if the viewers can see that.
I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but might do.
We have that's in plain view, the Hoyle wind farm. Very, very large wind farm. And basically down here in the valley, this is Prestatyn town.
Yeah.
And to our left is Rill town centre, with obviously the spire of St Thomas's. It's a very scenic location. You might want to pick up for the viewers the boards there for viewers. Anyway,
Tell us about the Trike.
We've come up on the Trike here, which is 150 horsepower. Which is 150 horsepower Triumph Rocket 3, converted to a Trike. It used to be a bike. I did 2 tours of northern France on it as a bike, but it got a bit big and heavy for me in my older age, so converted it to Trike, and here we are. It has 5 forward gears and 5 reverse.
What about them forks, Dick? Tell us about them, what you had to do there.
Oh yes, yes, the forks have been converted to tricycle forks, because bike forks do not work very well on trikes.
Was that was the Grinnell, wasn't it?
Yeah, Grinnell conversion.
Yeah.
Yes. The rest of it is Panther trikes of South Yorkshire.
The Batley, aren't they?
I beg your pardon?
Batley?
Batley, yes, Batley in South Yorkshire, yeah. As I say, it's really rather a revered possession, and I've had it since new. It's now getting on, it must be 17 years old, something like that.
Yeah.
Probably 18 years old. I've kept it very good condition. And as I say, it's a very revered possession. Shall we walk over to the tourist boards?
Yeah, let's walk over there. So the local council have built this little information board over here that we're walking to now, and it just basically explains what Richard just told you about the area.
Absolutely. Beautifully produced, I must say.
Isn't it? Really nice.
It describes all the surrounding area, even our beloved Hoyle
wind farm. Right, I'll give you one last look over the area before we sign off, and then we'll make our way back to home. Well, we've arrived back, and the priority now is to get this under cover, because we timed it rather well, because that is going on behind us. There's a nasty black cloud weather front rolling in, all up there, look. So we've got to get it under cover. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the trip, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends. Bye for now.